So, we are on the official Ghostty repository already. That in less than a year, it has almost 32,000 stars? That's more than all cosmic repositories put together, and I'm saying to realize how important is this project for the community. Your lesson for today? Terminal fucking matters! Sorry, I lost control. Anywho, let's go to commits, and before the big render rework, there's one more commit you may care about and landed recently. So, since yesterday, there is an initial BSD support from Charles Rocket that he constantly searches after horror, haunt, strange, far places. Oh well. If you want some demographics for BSD users, here you go. Hey, I'm not judging, I'm just observing the world around me. Now, to the big renderer rework. That also came yesterday. So it's here, the long foretold and long procrastinated renderer rework. Hopefully this makes it easier to adapt and modify the renderer in the future and ensures feature parity between Metal and OpenGL. On key points, the CPU side renderer logic is now mostly unified with the generic renderer, but the most important is probably this one. A new graphics API abstraction layer over OpenGL and Metal has been introduced. Nice one, cause that means better optimizations for each platform. Also, minimum OpenGL version was pumped to 4.3, so that can't run on macOS, so it's Metal only. And get this, the OpenGL backend now supports linear blending. Woohoo! Actually, I have no idea what that means. Another nice change is that shaders can now be hot reloaded. And also there is a fix on background color, so we don't get broken graphics anymore. Which isn't exactly true. I'll show you in a bit, okay? Next, there is a description of the graphics API that you might want to check that out yourselves. Then there are some more benefits, like some slightly reduced memory footprint that perhaps it can get improved even more in the future. That's basically tested in macOS. I didn't test in Linux to see if it follows. On future work, it says that there are a couple structures that can be unified using the abstraction layer. And the developer also says that he wants to rework on the current rendering pipelines, that I imagine it would be something equally big. By the way, that patch changes 76 files with around 8,500 additions and 7,500 deletions, so it's big indeed. Alright, let me show you. Although I can't show you much, is really an under the hood work. I can test the shaders though. What the hell? This patch totally broke my typing. Okay, got it. Does shaders hot reloading actually works? Emoji? Remember when earlier I told you about graphics issues? Blue emojis? Or maybe, is it a new emoji skin? Who knows? Okay, add a shader, and now it should be activated without need to restart Ghostty. Cool, it worked. Can we do a second shader? Maybe? Yep. Also, another thing that this patch improves is the rendering on resizing, but because I didn't test them side by side, I can't really tell. I can only trust the change logs, I guess. But the thing it annoys me the most is still here. It's not really a ghosty issue, more like a mutter epic flaw. These damn squared corners. Come on, Gnome.